Good morning, dear students. So I am here to present a computer chapter number 2, that is uses of computer. But before starting our topic, I should first tell you how all you are. I hope everyone is fine here. In this difficult situation, it is very difficult to cope up with the environment, but together we can do this. So now we can come to the straight away to our topic. So in lesson 1, you all must have heard about what is computer, why it is used. So computer, we have learned it is a smart machine, it is an electronic machine. It can perform various types of functions. So now the second topic of our computer, that is lesson number 2, it deals with uses of computer. Now uses of computer, you all know in the present scenario, this is a technological world. So in the present scenario, there are a lot of uses of computers and there are various places where the computers are used. So now first of all, starting the chapter with, for example, we have many places where computers are used. So one such place, I'll start with the topic, that is home. Now as you know, children's first school is their home. A child first school is always her home. In the same way, the basic place where the computers are used is at home. So how the computers are used at home and why they are used. There are many uses of computer at home, but as being a children, you all know when we say that computers are used by the children, so what clicks in your mind? It like playing games. But apart from playing games also, there are many ways in which computers are used. So one such way is doing the school projects. Now you all know this is a holiday homework, summer holidays going on, so you must have got many projects related to every subject, related to every topic. So using computer technology, you can complete all these projects with the help of your parents. Now you're too small to use the computer alone, but with the help of your parents, you can complete your school project, you can complete your home assignments. There are many things which we can do on computer. There are various subjects about which we can learn on computer. We can find out the information from the corner of the world of any topic related to any topic, whatever we want. Now the second thing, why the computers are used by the children, our basic thing is playing games. Yes, we get games related to puzzle, brain out games we get, then we get logic master puzzles games with computers so that the student can improve their knowledge. Student can indulge in this playing activity and can enhance their knowledge. In the same way, now when we want to use computer at home, sometimes we want a relaxing time. So in that time, what we can do, we can listen to music. You can play any soothing music for us. You can play any song. You can play any movies. You can enjoy movies on computer. So now you understand why the computers are used at home, why it is important to be used at home. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is why it is used in school. Now you all know as a child's first school is home. In the same way, the child's second school is their school. So now in school, why the computers are used? In school, computers are used why? Because the teachers and students both are involved in using the computer. Now how the computers are used in school by the teachers? The teachers prepare their timetables. Now in your book it is mentioned that teachers prepare their timetable. Yes, of course the teachers prepare timetable on computer, and for every thing you got in class 1 and 2 you get notice printed. So that printed notice, how it comes out? The printed notice is typed on the computer using the keyboard, and then the printout is taken out through the printer for you all, so that it becomes easy for the small children to understand what the information they have to convey to the parents. Now the second thing why the computers are used by the teachers are to prepare the report cards. In the ancient scenario, what we used to do when we were kids in the school, so what we used to do, our teachers used to write each and everything in the report card by using their pen, about the comment of the child, the marks of every subject, everything they used to write in the report card. But now what happens due to the technological world, so many computers are installed in our own school, so many softwares we use, so what we can do, we can also print the report cards using the computers. Now how to print the report cards using the computers? The teachers do entries. Yes, of course your class teachers do the entries, your subject teachers do the entries of each and every marks of the student, and then what the further process goes on, the particular teacher works on those entries and then take out the report card. Now the third place where the computers are used is in school itself. We use in library. Now first what happens, the teacher used to enter, the library in charge teacher used to enter each and every book's detail in the register and maintain the register, and the heap of register used to gather there in the office. But now what happens, you can easily record all these things. The librarian teacher, what she does, she records each and everything in the computer sequentially, so whenever she wants to find any subject related information, any book related. So in your library also you have seen so many computers are installed. Now the second part we come to this school is why student use. Now in class 1 you must have seen the computer lab of our school. So there are many computers installed there. Why? It is for your use. You have learned how to type in computers using the keyboard. In the same way, now in class 2 what you will learn about the paint software. So now in the further chapters, we'll learn how to practically do the paint. Now you must have learned how to paint in the paper, how to color with the crayons, how to color with the pencil colors. But now we will use a particular software, that is a paint software on the computer. So it is interesting for you all. Okay, now we'll move to the next topic, that is hospitals. You all must be thinking, why hospitals use computer? There the doctors said, nurses are there, so why they use computer? It is a very important role of computers in hospitals. In hospitals, why doctors use computer? You have seen some big machines are there to treat the patient. Yes, so these big machines have computer installed in them that are known as inbuilt computers. That is, already the computers are present inside the machine to treat the patient, to diagnose the patient. So what the doctors do, they find out the treatment for the particular disease through the computer reports. The medical reports, previously the doctor used to write the medical reports for each and every disease of the patient, but now the printed report you get. Okay, now the second part of this is what? When you go for the eye test. So you have seen in that eye test machine also computers are already installed. That means computers are playing a vital role in the hospitals also, to keep the record of the disease of the patient, who all patients are coming on which day, which disease, what treatment was given to them. Every record is maintained in computers. Okay, so now you can see in your books, this nurse is using a computer, the doctor is using a computer. In the same way, there are many places where the computers are used. So now next best part of this chapter will go. I also like this topic very much. In banks, the banks play a very important role in computer, in using the computer. Now you have gone to banks with your parents. Once in a while you must have gone there. So while you are going to the bank, when you have gone to the bank, there you have seen there are many counters there, counter number 1, counter number 2, counter number 3, like this. There are a number of counters. Now in their number of counters, what happens? You can see in front of every person the computer is installed. Yes, in front of every person the computer is installed here. Now why these bank professional use computer? Have you any time realized this or analyzed this? Why the computers are used in bank? Yes. The computers are used in banks to keep the record of the account of customers. There are a number of customers in each branch, those who have opened the account, those who withdraw and those who deposit the money. So to keep the record of all these accounts, the computers are used. It is very difficult to write each and everything in the register and maintain it for years and years. So that is the reason our new technological machine, that is which is a smart machine, computer, large number of storage capacity is there. So computers are used in bank to store the accounts of the details of the accounts of the customer. Now we come to the next part. The best part of this topic is, have you seen a machine which is installed outside the bank? Outside every branch or wherever we go in every area we see that machine. So that is an ATM machine. Have you ever asked your father or mother why the ATM is used? Or you must have seen till now, once in a while. Okay, why ATM is used? Now the full form of ATM is automated teller machine. Automated teller machine means what? Automatically we can enter the details and we can withdraw the money anytime, 24 hours of the day. We need not have to wait for the banks to be open tomorrow at 10 o'clock, then to stand in a line, then to fill the forms and withdraw the money. Okay. So my dear students, you just once, now whenever you will go to the ATM, just see the process, how your parents are withdrawing the machine, how the money is coming out. Now no need to see the ATM pin, but you can just see the process, how the money is coming out of the machine. This is all the software programming which is done in the machine, and this all programming is done is in computer. Okay, now we'll move to the next topic, that is railways and airports. Now do you know why they are used in railways and airports? In railways and airports, now you have first realized that my parents used to go to the railway station. From 6 o'clock in the morning they used to stand there in the line and then book the tickets. But now the scenario has changed. Now our India has moved to the technological world. So what we are doing, we are using this technology to our best. So sitting at home, your parents can book the tickets online for the railways and for the aeroplanes. Now 1 month prior, we can book the tickets for our journey. Okay, so this is the benefit of computer in using in railways and airports. Now the second part of this topic is that we can also track the timing, availability and the timing of the trains and the aeroplanes. For example, first we used to go to the railway station 2 hours, and if the train is delayed, we used to sit there for 2 hours. Then small children used to get panic. We have to sit for 2 hours to sit in a train. But nowadays we don't have to do this. For a few years back, we have got this technology, we have got this machine with which, using the internet, what we can do, we can track where our train has stopped, on which station it has reached, should we move out of the house to catch a train. So you can get all this information. Now we move to the next, that is shops. Now you all must be thinking, in shops we get grocery, in shops we get clothes, in shops we get various items. But why the computers are used there? In shops the computers, why they are used? Yes, in shops the computers are used to generate the bill. It is very easy for the shopkeeper, the manager of the shop, to generate the bill for the items you have purchased. Now you all must have gone to the DB mall. You must all have seen the DB mall. There your parents buy grocery, clothes for you all. So after buying all these things, where they move? They move to the bill counter. Yes, they move to the bill counter. Why they move to the bill counter? Because their billing area, you can see professionals are standing there, 4 to 5 people, and in front of their computer are installed. Why the computers are used there? To generate the bill and to hand over the bill to us. In the same way, the second part of this comes, the best part of this topic is online purchasing. You all must be liking this, online purchase. Online purchase means sitting at home, sitting at one place, through our phone, software, through our computer. We can just open the websites of different companies and we can book the order online. We can buy the grocery. Now you have seen, because of the COVID-19, everything is available online. Everything. So what advertisement we are getting in on the television, also on the radios, everywhere, what advertisement we are getting? That buy everything online. It is safer for us. So what we can do now is the time to use the computer maximum. Okay, so you can use this computer machine, a smart machine, to book the grocery, to book the clothes, everything online. Now we can move to the next topic. Now I hope that it is clear why it is used in shop. Now we can move to the next topic, that is hotels and restaurants. Now hotels, you all go to have dinner and lunch. Yes? Okay. Now when you go to the hotels to have your dinner and lunch with your family, to enjoy your quality time, what you all do? You just have your lunch, order the menu, the lunch is served to you, you have your lunch, and the next part comes with your parents, especially with your father. What? Giving the bill. Now the manager of the hotel, of the restaurant, what he does, he generates the bill using computer. He does the entries what you have ordered already and what you had in your lunch or dinner, and then he generates the bill accordingly to the price. Now I can say that in restaurants, why computers are kept in front of the professionals? The computers are kept so that why the guests who check in and check out in the hotels, they keep the account, they keep the record of the customers, they keep the timing, departure time when they have to depart from the hotels. Now we move to the next page, that is a space research. Okay, now space research, one very good example I'll tell you, you'll understand very easily. In space research, have you all seen Mission Mangal movie? Yes, I know everybody, every child must have seen this movie. Now what happens in Mission Mangal movie? In Mission Mangal movie, you have seen there are 5 to 6 scientists working on the computer. Why they use computer? Yes, they use computer to track the record of the satellite and rocket, to launch the record of their, to launch the satellite and rocket. Okay, so all the scientists, you must have seen in that movie, every scientist was working on each and every module. So why they were? Because they were specialized in that particular field. For example, one scientist is specialized in designing, the second one is for the satellite cover. So these all things, how they perform these? They study about this on computer and then they work on this particular software. So we can say that in space and research, the computers are used to control the rockets and satellite. Now we move to the last topic, that is our designing. Now designing, you must be thinking, what actually designing is? It doesn't mean that drawing, simple drawing. Designing means, now you all have heard engineers. So there are various fields of engineering. Nowadays students opt for the engineering of every field. There are boys and girls English engineering field. Now why they do this study? They do this study to design various things. Now there are different types of engineers also. For example, first I'll take the automobile engineer. Now what does the automobile engineer do? The automobile engineer, what it does? The automobile engineer design the automobile, the vehicle, first on the computer using the software. When it is approved by the board of directors of their organization, then the practically the design is made of the vehicle. In the same way, the civil engineers, what they do? Now you have seen so many big bridges, flyovers, metro stations in the metropolitan cities. Now we have in Bhopal also we have so many bridges built. So many designs are there of different roads, maps. So how these designs are prepared by the engineers? These are not prepared on the paper. These are prepared on the computer. The design is prepared on computer. Now as soon as the design is prepared by the engineer, it is approved by the professionals and further practical construction of that particular bridge comes out. In the same way, now we move in the designing phase, we have that is boutique. Now boutiques, you all know why we go to the boutiques. We go to the boutiques for stitching our clothes. Now we want, according to us, we want our dresses. So how these boutiques people work? They ask us the requirement, what do we want in a particular dress. We want to prepare a party dress for us, so what we want in a particular dress. So we all give the requirement to the boutique person and that particular person jot down everything for us, prepare the design on computer using the software, and finally we can see on the computer how our dress will look, because before it is made on the cloth and if we reject it, it is very difficult for them. That is the reason what they do. They prepare the design using the software on the computer. Now the next part comes as now architects. Now you know so many big buildings are made here. Multiplex buildings are there. Now we can, any mall we can see, any monument we can see. So there are so beautiful designs are made. How these designs are constructed? Practically they are constructed by the people, laborers. But the design is first made by the engineers, the professional on the computer. As the design is approved and then the final construction takes place. So my dear children, now I hope that this particular chapter is clear to you, why the computers are used at different places, why they are used as hospital, banks, how the machines work in the hospital. So many big machines are there to treat the patient. In school, why you use the computer? So you must be eager to use the computer in school, I know. But as soon as we cope up with this environment, surely we'll go to the lab and work on it. Okay. Now we'll move to the exercise. Now you can see on page number 12, fun activities there. That is homework for you all, and then we come to page number 15, that is fun activity, again that is homework for you all. So please work on this as soon as possible and please do read the chapter. Now I am writing the exercises on the board, so please write the exercises on the book. There is no need to make the computer copy. Every answer will be written in the book itself and the book will be checked by the teacher. Okay, so should we proceed with this? So on page number 16, first we have the exercise. So in exercise, the first question is quiz. Now in first question quiz, what is given here? Who uses uses computer to prepare report cards. Now in school we use computer. I have explained you, two persons uses the computer in school, teachers, students. Teachers including the office people also. So the answer will be teachers. So the first answer you write in your book will be teachers. Now we move to the second, that is, can computers help doctors in the operation theatre? Now I have explained why the computers are used in hospital. So the answer is yes. Yes, computers help doctor in the operation theatre to treat the patient. You can see there are big machines. There are big installed machines with the computer installed in it to treat the patient. Now comes the third, that is, name the place where computers are used to teach various subjects. Now where we can learn various subjects, which place is the perfect place to learn various subjects? Yes, your school. So the answer for this is school. Parents, please help the students to write the answers in the book. Okay, second is fill in the missing letters. Now in filling the missing letters, now fill in the missing letters. So the first one comes with H, starting with H. Can you all guess? Yes, the answer is hospital. So everybody will fill like this, hospital. Now second comes starting with O, so online shopping. Now where do we do online shopping? Sitting at our home, we can do online shopping through computer. So online shopping. So please fill the answer for this, online shopping. Okay. Now comes the third, that is starting with the B. So can you all guess? Yes, the answer is banks. Answer is banks. I hope the answers are clear to you. Okay, now comes the answer number 4, that is starting with S, the favorite place, that is school. Okay. So just write school. Okay, now we move to the third, that is rearrange the jumbled words. Okay, now I am just writing the Roman letters, it will be clear for you. Okay, so the first is jumbled words. Now ITSOPED. So when we go to the bank, what we do? When we go to the ATM machine, we withdraw and deposit. So the answer of this jumbled word will be deposit. So write the answer for this, DEPOSIT, deposit. So what we deposit? Yes, money. Okay, now we move to the second part, that is TAM. Now I hope it is very clear, this answer is very clear to you. That is what? ATM. Yes, the answer is ATM. Good. Now comes the third part, that is EOHM. Now you all know EOHM. Yes, the place where you are sitting just now, that is home. HOME. Okay, so these three answers, these three questions are clear to you. Now we move to the next part. I hope you all must have written all these things in the book. Now we move to the Roman letter question, that is 4. That is write T for true and F for false statement. So the first one is in hospital. First one is in a hospital, computers are used to book tickets. Yes or no? But in hospital we don't book tickets. We go to railway station and airport. You don't have to go. In fact, we book the tickets for the railways and aeroplanes. So the answer is false. So please write F in the first part. Then comes the second. You cannot use a computer to identify diseases. Yes or no? The answer is false. We can use. That is the reason the computers are used in hospital to diagnose the diseases. So the answer will be false. Okay. Now the third comes, computers are used to test eyesight. Is computer used? Yes, it is mentioned in your book and I have also explained you. In the eye test, when we go for the eye test, the computers, the machines are installed with the inbuilt computers in it to check our eyesight. So the answer will be true. So the first answer is false, second is false and the third one is true. Okay. Now we move to the fifth one, that is fill in the blanks. Now computers are used in banks to deposit and withdraw money. So first answer will be money. Okay. The full form of ATM is, now the full form of ATM as I have explained you already, it is automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. Now we move to the third filler, that is we can also check the arrival and departure dash of a train on a computer. Arrival and departure what? Yes, time. The answer will be time. So the first answer comes as money. Second filler is automatic teller machine. Third one is time. Okay. Now finally we move to the answer the following questions. That is sixth part. So now in answer the following question, the first question is what is online shopping? Now I have explained you already what is online shopping. You all know also what is online shopping, but we have to write as an answer. So what is online shopping? We can purchase items through the computer connected to the internet. This is called online shopping. So I will be writing the answer. You can easily note down in your book. We can purchase items through the computer connected to the internet. Connected to the internet. This is called online shopping. So once again I am going to read this answer. We can purchase items through the computer connected to the internet. This is called online shopping. Now is it clear students? Answer number one. Now we'll move to the second answer. What is email? So you all know what is email. Basically why the email is used. Email is used to send messages from one place to another. Now as we know that in the present scenario we have WhatsApp, the best messaging app, but email is the permanent one. From years and years we are using this facility to send the messages from one place, one corner of the world to another. So after answer 1, I am giving this answer number 2. Why email is used? What is email? Email is a way of sending message to other people by means of computers. Yes, all of you please write. Email is a way of sending message to other people by means of computer. Okay. Now I am going to read this answer again so that you can properly write it in your book. Email is a way of sending message to other people by means of computer. Now we move to the third, that is write 3 uses of computers at home. So at home, computers are used to do school project, home assignment and play games. So I'll start with the third answer. At home, computers are used to do school project, home assignment, and play games. Of course, I'll write that, play games. Okay, once again we'll give this answer. At home, computers are used to do school projects, home assignment and play games. Okay, now we move to the last answer, that is how are computers helpful to doctors and hospital. So how the computers are helpful to doctors, now you have understood the chapter, so you can write this answer very well. You can understand it. So computers are used by doctors in the operation theatre. Write down. Computers are used by the doctors Computers are used by doctors in the hospital. Doctors in the hospital, in the operation theatre and to maintain records of patient. In the operation theatre and to maintain records of patient. So once again I am going to read this answer so that you can write it properly. Computers are used by the doctors in the hospital, in the operation theatre and to maintain record of patient. So with this we finish the exercises of lesson number 2. Please do not make the copy, write all the answers in the book and give your book for correction whenever it is required. Now the last thing is on page number 70, we have fun time. Name any 5 places where computers are used. Now without the help of the parents, you all have understood very nicely where the computers are used. Any 5 places, whatever you like, you can do it. Okay. Now as we finish with the second chapter, in the further online classes we will be going to explain you further more chapters. If any doubts are there, please do clear as soon as we meet in the school. So thank you so much dear parents and children. Thank you so much. And please do read the chapter and understand the chapter. Okay, now thank you so much. And now the best part is stay at home and be safe. Thank you.